Good evening, boys and girls. This is your homework for tonight. As always, make sure you put your name on the top so I know whose paper it is. It's very important. Number one, you're going to solve the problems. You're welcome to use counters or manipulatives or Cheerios or draw pictures. Whatever strategy is the best strategy for you. For two, read the question and identify the important information. Then write a number sentence.
Route 45, you're not dismissed. Route 45, you're not dismissed.
Anna has 12 balloons. Her dad gives her 4 more balloons. How many balloons does Anna have? So you're going to think, how many did she have? What was my change? Am I joining or am I separating? And how many am I going to have at the end? You're going to write that number sentence in here. Where you have that circle, that's where you can put either the plus or the minus sign. Again, in that circle is where you're going to put your sign, either plus or minus. For 3, you're going to fill in the missing numbers. So you're going to go 26, 27, something, 29, something. So put those numbers in the blanks. Another set here, 41, 42, something, 44, something, 46. For number 4, what time is shown on the clock? Remember, the shorter hand is our hour hand. The longer hand is our minute hand. So you're going to try and figure out what time is on the clock, and you're going to write it in this box. Hour goes here, minute goes here. On the back, what 2 shapes could be joined together to make a rectangle? So you're going to look at the shapes. So you're going to say, if I put these together in any way, will they make a rectangle? If I put these together in any way, will they make a rectangle? If I put these together, could they make a rectangle? Or if I put these together, could they make a rectangle? Guys, it's okay for my class if you have more than one answer. I want you to try, but you have to be able to justify why there is more than one. I'm only seeing one right now, but if you could justify how you know there's more than one, let me know. Number 6, draw a happy face inside the shape that can be made using the trapezoid block shown below. So you're going to look at these shapes and figure out which shape can be made by the trapezoids. 7, which of the following new shapes could be used? Which of the following new shapes could you make using the following 2 triangles? So you're going to see which shape you can make out of these 2 triangles. This one, or this one. And number 8, draw a picture below the dotted line to show how you could use the shapes below to create a hexagon. So you're going to use this space using these shapes to create a hexagon.